Hello, this is Nick with Albert Air. Today we are looking at a Carrier Performance Series 2-stage condenser that is 16 plus SEER 2 that we just installed and moved from the side yard over here. The model number on this is a 24TPA760W003. As always, please like this video, subscribe to my page for more videos like this. You can check out my channel. I have over 130 videos on there, and it will have something that you might be interested in. I talk a lot about moving furnaces to attic, ductless split systems, all the different condensers Carrier has, variable speed, 2-speed, single stage. I also talk a lot about heat pumps, which are a very hot button item right now. And of course, I talk about the rebates associated with these units. So make sure you like, subscribe to my page. If you have a comment, leave that in the section below. I'd be happy to answer that for you. And if you need to get a hold of me, you can call me at 714-526-6368. So let's get into this installation. These people had a 30-year-old system that wasn't working anymore, and they wanted a new Carrier higher efficiency system. So this is a 2-speed 5-ton condenser. It is 16 plus SEER 2. The dimensions on this unit are 35 width, 35 depth by 39 inches tall. The clearances for this, which a lot of people always ask me, or what are the clearances for these units? You do need 6 inches off the wall minimum. This one's about 7.5, 8. From the side yard, depending on your city, you do need roughly anywhere from 3 to 5 feet. They need an easement for emergency personnel to get by. And then if you were to have any other walls around this unit, you do need 24 inches here, 24 inches there, and then another 24 inches on this side. So if you were to bury it in a side yard back there, you need to have some clearances so it will breathe right. When we moved this unit from the other spot in the backyard, they just wanted the eyesore out of their way. They wanted to move it around to the side yard. So we did have to relocate our refrigerant lines, which are right here. We wrapped in a UV jacket, and we ran those from here to the garage where the furnace is, put those in a line cover. We also had to relocate the electrical that comes into the disconnect box right here. So we pulled that back in the attic from the other disconnect, pulled it over, added on a little, we're able to put it over here. Right now the unit is running at high speed because this is a 2-stage unit. It has the high and the medium. We are on high speed now. It's very hot and humid today. We're in Yorba Linda, California, and it is July, so it's gonna be pretty hot right now. So it's at high speed. On high speed, the decibels on this unit are about 72. On the medium speed, you'll be about 69 decibels. So you can hear that right now. Now they moved it around to the side yard, so they don't really hear it as much, but before it was in the backyard, and this is the spot it was, right in between 2 bedroom windows there and there. You can see the pad that it was on, so it's kind of an eyesore back here, so we moved it around the side where no one would see it. We just patched all the line cover spots here, as well as the disconnect spot. We have to wait till that dries to paint the wall, but that will be done. So when we moved it around to the side of the house, like I said, we did have to relocate the electrical over here, as well as the refrigerant lines that run to the coil in the garage. We did level it on these pads here, so it will be above any sitting water, and it will also quiet down the unit being on the 36 by 36 by 3 inch plastic pad that it comes with. As far as rebates go, this unit does qualify for a $750 Carrier Cool Cash instant rebate. You do need to match that with the Carrier variable speed furnace indoors, as well as an ecobee thermostat to get that rebate. It is instant. This system can also qualify in certain sizes for tax credits as well. You just need to make sure you have a high enough efficiency unit to do that and make sure it meets the SEER 2 and EER 2 standards for your tax credit. Sometimes there are city rebates, like if you're in the city of Anaheim, they have a certain amount per ton, $200 per ton. So this would get $1,000 in the city of Anaheim if you were there. We are in Yorba Linda, so that doesn't qualify, obviously. So let me know if you have any questions about this. If you're thinking about moving it to the side yard, I'll be happy to answer those. Leave a comment in the section below. As always, make sure you like this video. Please subscribe to my page. Check out the other videos that we have out there. Like I said, we have about 130 of them on our YouTube channel now. They cover everything from heat pumps to AC units to furnaces, fan coils, ductless split systems, duct work, you name it, we have something on there. And thank you for watching.